There's nothing more delicious than a burger coming right off of the grill. Got some cooking back here. To make the best burger, you're gonna need some ground chuck, some bacon. We're gonna stuff these with a little wild mushroom to keep it nice and moist in the middle, and we're gonna baste it with some delicious homemade mustard barbecue sauce. I'm gonna get right into this. Now, I'm a firm believer in ground chuck is the ground meat of choice for your burger. It's got a great fat content, natural flavors, and it's gonna keep your burger super juicy. It's about a 3 to 4 ounce patty. That is gonna be my base. There's a lot of talk out there about what you can do to keep your burgers super moist. Now, one of my favorite things to talk about is putting an ice cube in the center of your burger, topping it with more meat and shaping your patty. Now that's great, it will provide moisture in the interior of your burger, but I say put something in the interior that's gonna bring moisture as well as flavor. My flavor agent of choice is mushrooms. They've been simply sauteed down with a little bit of onion, seasoned with salt and pepper. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of sauce in there to kind of keep them together as I'm stuffing my burgers. I'm gonna take a couple of tablespoons and just carefully place them right there in the middle. Now I'm gonna take another bit of meat here, about another 3 to 4 ounces, flatten it out just like I did the one before. And now you wanna take it and just sort of shape it, pressing down around the edges to seal those mushrooms in there. Now you've got this beautiful burger. It's about to get even better when we take some bacon and just go right around the edges here. Kind of pulling it. You're gonna have a couple of toothpicks on hand because you're gonna toothpick right where you seal it there and keep it from coming off as you're turning it while you're grilling it. To finish these out, hit them with some kosher salt, some freshly ground black pepper. Always be sure we get both sides. And we're gonna go to the grill. I firmly believe that a temperature of medium-high, 350 to 400 degrees, is just perfect. I'm gonna place these on my grates here that are nice and oiled down. That's the sound you wanna hear, that sizzle. I'm gonna baste these with a little of that mustard barbecue sauce. That's gonna continue to add to the moisture as well as some good tangy flavor. It's gonna be just perfect. It's time to flip these burgers. Those are absolutely gorgeous. As you see, these are just outstanding. Give these a brush of the sauce. And let them finish up. There is no wrong way to build a burger. I believe that less is more because you want to have a nice, well-balanced bite, but we're going to get right in here first by removing our toothpicks. I love a nice brioche bun here, beautiful color, a couple slices of tomato, a little beautiful green leaf lettuce, a little red onion, our burger, homemade mustard barbecue sauce. And there we go. So there we have a perfectly cooked burger, and that's just beautiful. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And while you're there, leave us a comment and ding the bell.